I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it either. I feel like melee
It's not good.
is not that great. I think the grapple's cool, but like, be hard pressed to get me to like dislike a grapple.
Okay, we need to hit someone with the E, right? The 3 meters.
No, it's 300 miles per hour.
Okay.
Well, that's annoying.
How do we get a 300-meter punch?
300 mile per hour punch. It's movement speed thing. I think you
Can
have
we
to
do
have...
it like? Can we do it like this? Like, charge this up.
Oh, you can grapple. Interesting. We are grappled to each other. We are one.
Alright, let's fly. Let's fly.
Okay, I'm grappled onto you. I'm onto you. Okay. Okay.
Let's on 3 we jump and grapple. 1,
Okay.
2, 3.
I'm on you. You're not on me though. Oh no, you are on me. Okay. Okay. I don't know what happened to my grapple. I got disconnected. This is so funny.
You go, then I go. Okay.
Am I on the ground or am I?
Yeah,
on
yeah.
you?
You're on me. You're on me. You're on me.
Yeah. When I used it, oh no, it didn't.
Yeah, we gotta do like circles in the air. Circles in the air. Circles in the air.
I'm trying.
Boosting?
Yeah.
Tell me this is not 300 meter. Okay, keep going. Keep dancing. On the apex, I'm gonna fling out.
I'm trying.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go down. You go up. Oh no. We gotta.
Up. I went up. I'm
Okay.
up. Oh, I'm caught on something. I don't know what. I went up.
Okay. Hold on. Boosting. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh wait, we're still attached. We're still attached.
We're still attached. This is so weird. Oh no. Oh no.
Don't worry. Don't worry. You're fine.
Yeah. This is such a weird mechanic.
Let's try to get up here. Let's try to get up there. Let's try to focus to get.
Oh no, you detached.
No, I didn't.
Are you sure?
Oh, I did. Yeah.
I don't think you're grappled to me anyway. I'm still grappled to you though. No. Is it pulling you up here?
No, I had to get it myself. All right. Let me get my thing back. Hold on.
Oh no.
All right.
Oh, it detached me. Okay. Alright. What? Are you detached?
No, I'm attached.
Oh, what the fuck happened to my fucking grapple?
There you go.
Alright.
Oh, it can't. The box probably can't be on the same.
Yeah. Okay. You gotta punch.
Yeah,
away
wait,
from
we
me.
got a boost on 3. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, on 3. On 3. 1, 2, 3. You missed.
I did.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
I think I missed.
Ugh.
Alright. Don't jump.
Don't jump.
No, don't jump, just grapple.
1,
Alright.
2, 3. Alright, we gotta fly up there.
Alright, I'm up here. Oh god.
Going that way.
Oh,
2
it
seconds.
teleported me to the ground. It teleported me to the ground. I made it up.
How is this not a 300 mile per hour? Do we have to punch someone now?
I think so.
All right, we gotta aim at that guy. I hit him, but oh, dude, keep it up.
I'm trying.
Oh, I got it! I got it! Yeah, on the way over. Yeah. You could easily do it. You gotta smack him like.
I got it.
You got it. All right, let's suicide. I'm done.
Okay. Like we're done. We played this character.
We played the
We did
character.
the
That's what the creators wanted when they added
as
this.
intended.
As intended. You just doomfist punch him. It's so fun.
It is actually.
You're like, oh, this
If it
character blows, and then
He does, and then
he does.
and then
Earth shatter. This
and you
content is
grapple
now
each other, and you're like,
available. But you would never figure that out if you were by yourself.
no, you would.
So instead of the grapple,
charge up a single punch for 2100% damage.
and shock enemies, so it just does a shock.
That's not instead of grapple. It's instead of the charge gauntlet. It's
but
the
it's
same thing.
It's Doomfist when he does his
Yeah,
down.
it's the same thing, but it's like less.
It's Doomfist, dude, when he does his
Yeah.
ground the pound.
Yeah. Deals more damage at higher speeds. Yeah, so it's basically the same.